Hello, this is the demonstration of creating Telegram message bot using Conceptune Flux. Let's get started. Entering account email. Continue. Now enter account password. Continue to dashboard. Click on Agentic AI card. Now, add new agent workflow. And then enter module name as Telegram bot and description of your own. Hit create module and now hover the create Telegram bot as we have named it and then click on workflow button. Close the how to build dialog. Now drop the Telegram trigger node from the nodes palette. And now drop the GPT model node. And scroll down, drop the Telegram response node as well. Now search for the GPT memory node and drop it. Connect Telegram trigger to GPT model, then GPT model to Telegram response. Do the same for the GPT memory node. Now open a new tab and search for Telegram. Click on Telegram link. My account is already logged in. Now you need to search for BotFather in the search bar. Now click on BotFather chat. And click on start button and you need to click on /newbot to create your bot. Now think of a unique username for your bot and type it. For example, I will think of one and type it to show you. For example, I thought of Telegram bot Tut. Click to send button. So now Telegram is telling us that your Telegram chatbot's username must end with bot. So now let's try a new name. You have to keep trying usernames until Telegram accepts one. So after trying for some time, Telegram accepted the username fluxtela_bot. Click on send button. Once your username is accepted, you receive an HTTP API access token. Copy access token. And click on Flux tab. Now click on credential button and then you need to enter your credential name, select the credential type, and fill in the API key or token. Just like I am doing. Here, you need to enter the same API token that we copied from Telegram earlier. Now click Add Credential button to add Telegram credential. Now click on the Telegram trigger node. Then select the credentials we just created from the dropdown. And enable chat logs to view chat history. And click on Save. Open the GPT model node and drag data.message into the prompt. Now click on the Docs button and select the Flux default API key if you don't have your own. Then give your desired instructions to the GPT. Just like I am doing. Now click on Save button. Open the Telegram response node, click Input, drag Pout content into the chat template, and save it. And click on Compile button. And go to the Telegram tab. Now you need to open the Telegram bot link that Telegram provided. Now you have reached your bot's chat UI. Now click the Start button to begin the chat, and you can now talk to your bot. If you want to see the chat history, you can check it in the logs. Thanks for watching.